Have you ever wondered why your internet connection seems so slow, even though you're paying for high-speed service? One potential culprit could be your Ooma port. But what exactly is an Ooma port, and how much does it typically cost? Context. Ooma is a popular VoIP voice over internet protocol provider that offers a range of home phone services. One of the key components of an Ooma system is the Ooma port, a small device that connects your home phone to your internet router. While most Ooma plans include the Ooma port, there are situations where you might need to purchase one separately. What is an Ooma port? A small, rectangular device that connects your home phone to your internet router. Enables you to make and receive calls using your internet connection instead of traditional phone lines. Typically included with Ooma plans, but can be purchased separately in certain cases. Why you might need to purchase an Ooma port separately. Upgrading from a different VoIP provider. If you're switching from another VoIP provider to Ooma, you may need to purchase a new Ooma port. Replacing a damaged or lost Ooma port. If your Ooma port is damaged or lost, you'll need to replace it. Adding a second line. If you want to add a second line to your Ooma system, you'll need to purchase an additional Ooma port. Cost of an Ooma port. Direct from Ooma. Ooma typically sells Ooma ports directly on their website. The cost can vary depending on the specific model and any ongoing promotions. Third-party retailers. You may also be able to find Ooma ports for sale at third-party retailers, such as Amazon or eBay. Prices may vary, and it's important to ensure you're purchasing a genuine Ooma port. Used Ooma ports. If you're on a tight budget, you might consider purchasing a used Ooma port. However, be aware that used ports may not be in perfect condition, and there may be a risk of compatibility issues. Factors affecting the cost of an Ooma port. Ooma model. Different Ooma models may have slightly different pricing. Promotions and discounts. Ooma and third-party retailers often offer promotions and discounts on Ooma ports. Location. Prices may vary depending on your location and local taxes. Additional considerations. Compatibility. Ensure that the Ooma port you purchase is compatible with your Ooma plan and home phone system. Warranty. Check the warranty information for the Ooma port you're considering. A warranty can provide peace of mind in case the port malfunctions. Installation. While most Ooma ports are easy to install, you may need to consult the user manual or contact Ooma customer support for assistance. So, how much does an Ooma port cost? The exact price can vary depending on several factors, including where you purchase it, the specific model, and any available promotions. However, you can typically expect to pay between insert price range for a new Ooma port. By understanding the factors that influence the cost of an Ooma port, you can make an informed decision and find the best deal for your needs.